So I'm prepping fish. I'm just going to do this. I have cleaned the fish by opening the sides. So right now I'm just, making some incisions just to, don't mind the look of this fish. I typically do catfish or tilapia, but right now this is the fish we feel like eating, and I don't just want to fry it or so I had to make effort to clean it. So it looks like something that I've gone through a lot. So this is a mix of salt, black pepper, typically called a little soya pepper, and then little seasoning cube. Because honestly, this fish is kind of tasty, even if it's just salt that's being used, or maybe ginger or something. It tastes good for me. So I'm just going to mix these peppers together. I'm still going to make a sauce, so it wouldn't, just be this. For the first grilling, this is what I'll do. Then I keep that aside. I have put a little, vegetable oil on this fish, on the body of the fish and the inner part, just to, oil it, and I find that it helps, the ingredients, the seasoning, stick to it better. So that's why I just did that. So I'm just rubbing it to ensure that it goes through all the parts. The fish has its own oil, and I try not to use a lot of oil in food. So yes, that's why. So I'm just going to keep this aside because I'll still use it. I have an onion here, just ring of onion with layers, which I'm going to use. So now I'm just going to apply this sparingly all over the fish. Now don't feel like, oh god, yikes, don't feel like you must have this particular brush before you can do this. Typically, I even forgot I had this brush. I just put in you can use gloves, but I didn't have gloves, disposable gloves, so I just used nylon. This nylon that is being used for moi. That can work perfectly as well. And I'm probably going to put that on as well now. So this is the nylon I'm talking about. I just put it on like this, and it can help you massage it, but I'm putting this on for a different purpose. I don't just want my hand to hurt me. So while applying this, you want to massage it properly into the incisions and right in the middle, so that the taste gets into every part. That's what you want to aim for. So I'm just doing it like this. But typically I'll just wear my nylon or gloves or whatever you're wearing and massage it thoroughly but gently, because this fish is really soft. It's not like catfish that has some sort of grit to it. I'm just trying to, as much as possible, feed it into the incisions. Not doing a very good job with that, am I? Right, so I'm going to use my nylon to press it in. Give it a good press in. Alexa, stop. I'm just going to spread the little one that is left right on top of everything. There. Just massage it in. Let's ensure that nothing goes to waste here. Keep more in those. So I'm just massage. Even I don't care about the head of this fish or what. Don't be biased. Okay, so just massage everything. I'm not really a big fan of eating head of fish, honestly. I'm learning to. So this is me having massaged it. I'm just going to now open these onions. Try to get the rings out, you know. Basically, no big deal. Actually, this can't even really fit properly, but I'll just try. Oh yeah, I wanted to. This is me also putting ginger. I love ginger. I know some people may typically like garlic, but mine is ginger. So I actually want to, you know, put in some ginger here. Just to ensure that I feel it. I really love ginger. I'm not really a fan of garlic, but ginger, yeah. I do use it a lot. And now I'm learning how to use garlic, you know. But honestly, I just feel like garlic comes in and takes over the whole thing, which I don't like, you know. I don't like it. Like, just a little garlic can take over your entire food, taste of food. And I don't like that very much. So maybe I could name this ginger seasoned fish. Well, these onion rings don't seem to be very practical right now. Whatever. So this is what this fish looks like. Very butchered. But yeah, I believe it will come out good anyways. So actually, I should have done this in my baking pan. So in here is just some pepper and onions, which I intend to, you know, blend. I'm gonna add a little tomatoes though later. So here's the chips that we'll be using. This is the final outlook and it tasted so good. Can you sight the sauce, the crispy chips and the fish? Yummy. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.